want to have your stovetop set to medium-high heat, and you want to test your oil because you want it to be hot when you add your pork. And a good way to do that is add a vegetable. If it sizzles, it's hot. It's ready to go. It doesn't need to be smoking. I'm using pork tenderloin. You can use sliced pork chops, but I prefer the tenderloin. Add your pork. And you're only going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, undisturbed, once you flatten it all out, so it gets a nice brown on it, and then you'll start stir frying it after that. So you're going to want to remove your cooked pork from the pan with one of these gadgets. They work great. It's very thin, only takes 2 to 3 minutes to cook the pork. And set it aside. Doesn't look like much pork, but when you add it to a stir fry, it's as much as you need. Add about another tablespoon of oil to your pan. Then you will put in some lemongrass and garlic, or ginger, whatever you prefer, and just stir fry that until it is fragrant, about 1 minute. It's fragrant. Add your vegetables. Here I have sliced mushrooms, sliced red bell peppers, and sliced green onions. And then you're just going to stir fry that. To get these babies cooking. The vegetables are looking nice. They've only been in there for about 30-40 seconds. You're going to add your stir-fry sauce, which I will post the recipe on my website, www.jdmaycooks.com. And then you're going to keep stirring that for another minute or two until that sauce thickens. After about a minute or two of sauteing the vegetables with the sauce, it'll become thickened. I added my pork, and now this is ready to serve up. And here's your finished restaurant-style pork and vegetable stir-fry. Easy to make and restaurant-style quality.